The world of artificial intelligence has a new player. DeepSeek, a Chinese chatbot, launched in January 2025. Its arrival sent ripples through the tech industry. DeepSeek quickly climbed the App Store charts, gaining global popularity. This newcomer offers an alternative to the established giant, ChatGPT. ChatGPT, developed by OpenAI, had enjoyed a comfortable dominance. DeepSeek's sudden emergence changed the landscape. Investors took notice. Nvidia, a leading chip manufacturer, saw its stock plummet. The market reacted to the potential threat to established players. However, the stock rebounded as investors recognized the growth potential in the AI sector. DeepSeek's R1 model, released alongside its launch, is generating buzz. Tech experts see it as a rival to ChatGPT's O1 offering. Early tests show DeepSeek surpassing ChatGPT in speed and accuracy in certain tasks. This has sparked excitement and debate about the future of AI chatbots. The arrival of DeepSeek has ignited competition in the AI field. This rivalry promises to drive innovation and push the boundaries of what's possible with AI chatbots. The ultimate winners will be the users who benefit from more advanced and sophisticated AI tools. One of DeepSeek's most significant advantages is its cost-effectiveness. Developing DeepSeek was remarkably efficient. Estimates place its training costs at less than $6 million. This stands in stark contrast to ChatGPT's development cost, estimated at a hefty $100 million. This cost difference stems from DeepSeek's utilization of less advanced computer chips. These chips are significantly cheaper, making DeepSeek 20 to 50 times less expensive to operate than its American counterparts. This efficiency makes it a more accessible option for developers and businesses looking to integrate AI chatbot technology. Adding to its appeal, DeepSeek embraces an open-source model. This means developers are free to use, modify, and distribute DeepSeek's code. This open approach has contributed to its rapid adoption, fostering a community of developers building upon its foundation. Microsoft, a tech giant, has recognized DeepSeek's potential. They have integrated the R1 model into their Azure AI Foundry and GitHub platforms. This integration makes DeepSeek readily accessible to a broader audience of developers and businesses. The move signals a growing acceptance of DeepSeek in the tech industry. While DeepSeek boasts several advantages, it's not without its drawbacks. The chatbot's performance, while impressive in speed and accuracy, still falls short in some areas. Some users find ChatGPT better at understanding nuanced search queries and providing more relevant responses. This suggests that DeepSeek's language processing capabilities, while improving, still require further refinement. Ethical concerns also cloud DeepSeek's horizon. OpenAI, the creator of ChatGPT, has accused DeepSeek's developers of using its models without permission. They allege that DeepSeek's training involved illegally accessing and utilizing ChatGPT's data. This accusation has led to legal action, casting a shadow of uncertainty over DeepSeek's future. Adding to the concerns is DeepSeek's reported 83% fail rate in providing accurate information. This high error margin raises questions about the chatbot's reliability as a source of information. It also underscores the challenges of ensuring accuracy and mitigating bias in AI language models. The US Navy has taken a cautious stance, banning DeepSeek from its systems. This decision stems from concerns about potential security risks and ethical implications. The ban underscores the importance of addressing security and ethical concerns surrounding AI technology, especially in sensitive environments. The future of DeepSeek remains uncertain. Legal battles, ethical concerns, and security vulnerabilities pose significant challenges. The outcome of these issues will determine whether DeepSeek can maintain its current trajectory or face limitations. Despite the uncertainty, DeepSeek's impact on the AI landscape is undeniable. The competition between DeepSeek and ChatGPT is driving rapid innovation in the AI chatbot space. As each company strives to outdo the other, users reap the benefits. This rivalry is leading to more advanced, efficient, and capable AI tools. The ultimate beneficiaries of this competition are the users who gain access to increasingly sophisticated AI assistants. However, this rapid advancement also necessitates careful consideration of the ethical and societal implications of AI. As AI becomes more integrated into our lives, it's crucial to ensure responsible development and deployment. Open discussions about AI ethics, bias mitigation, and data privacy are essential to harnessing AI's potential while mitigating its risks. The emergence of DeepSeek has ushered in a new era in the world of AI chatbots. While its future hangs in the balance, its impact is undeniable. The competition it has ignited promises to shape the future of AI, hopefully to the benefit of all. As this technology evolves, one thing is certain: the journey of AI development is just beginning.